At Lumbini Buddhist Suchi School, a vegetable garden has become a classroom of life. Students planted and harvested veggies, while parents joined them to prepare the vegetables for lunch.
यो सागहरु चाहिँ बच्चाहरुले आफै रोप्नु भएको हो आफै छरेर आफै यो उम्रेपछि उहाँहरुले यो आफै टिप्नु पनि भयो र आज यो हाम्रो किचनमा छ हामीले यो चीजले के सिकाउँछ भन्दाखेरि एक किसिमको धैर्यता पनि सिकाउँछ फार्मर प्रतिको रेस्पेक्ट सिकाउँछ.
For parents, this practical experience shows that education can extend far beyond the classroom, helping children understand effort, gratitude, and responsibility. The lessons are also changing the children's daily habits, while encouraging their parents to become part of the learning journey.
सबभन्दा धेरै परिवर्तन त म टाइम यहाँ दिन पाएछु त्यो नै परिवर्तन हो. अब आफूसँग टाइमै थिएन. अहिले अब यहाँ आउन पाइएछ टाइम निक्लेछ हैन. सहयोग गर्न पाउँदा त धेरै नै राम्रो हो नि.
For Maya Shahi, working alongside the children also plants the seeds of independence.
संस्कार चाहिँ बच्चाहरुमा चाहिँ सानैदेखि हामीले सिकायो भनी चाहिँ राम्रो हुन्छ हैन भविष्यमा उहाँहरुले चाहिँ के गर्नुहुन्छ यति गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ खुसी लाग्छ बच्चाहरु पछि आफ्नो आत्मनिर्भर हुन्छन् जस्तो लाग्छ.
From a seed to a shared meal, every step becomes a lesson. Through growing, harvesting, cooking and sharing, Suchi brings education into daily life, nurturing gratitude, responsibility, compassion, and the spirit of giving.